Hi, my name is Tim Burke, and I'm going to be teaching a course on an introduction to machine data analytics in electronics factories. The course is going to cover how factory engineers, equipment engineers, process engineers, and others directly working on the shop floor and in supporting roles in the factory can use the data that's being generated by all of the equipment in the factory. Things like solder paste printers, SPI machines, pick and place machines, AOIs, ICTs, how we can put this data to use to solve problems in the factory faster. In the course, we have an anonymized data set of real-world data drawn from many factories and top machine vendors to make the class very practical and specific to the electronics industry. We'll work through examples together, talk about standard tools, open source tools that are freely available to help analyze this data, as well as contextualize it in how it can help engineers in the factory do their job more efficiently and easier. So this course is significant to the electronics manufacturing industry because there's an increasing need with Industry 4.0 for engineers to know what data is available to help them do their job more efficiently. And this includes data from machines as a key source of information. As factories adopt Industry 4.0 and increasingly advanced machines and advanced processes, knowing how to analyze and leverage machine data is becoming as important to an engineer's job as knowing what the right solder paste to use is. It's important for the electronics industry to attend IPC Apex Expo 2023 because this is the place where you can connect with colleagues from around the world and understand what different factories are doing, what new machines are available, what vendors are coming out with, and how all of those changes can impact you and what you can learn from other people as well as share yourself to help you do your job better and stay current on what's latest in the electronics industry.